How to create Starbucks account. Want to enjoy the convenience of ordering your favorite drinks, earning rewards, and managing your Starbucks card all in one place? I'll show you how to sign up for a Starbucks account and get started with the Starbucks app quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, download the Starbucks app on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping on the Starbucks icon on your home screen. You'll see the welcome screen with options to sign in or create a new account. To sign up, tap on the Join Now or Create Account button. You'll be prompted to enter your details, including your first and last name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember. After filling out your details, you may be asked to confirm your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox. Next, you can choose to add a Starbucks card to your account. This allows you to earn stars, pay directly through the app, and access exclusive rewards. You can either purchase a digital card within the app or add an existing Starbucks card if you already have one. Once you've added your card, you're all set. You can now browse the menu, place mobile orders, and customize your drinks to your liking. Plus, you'll earn stars for every purchase, which you can redeem for free items and special offers. And that's how you sign up for a Starbucks account and get started with the Starbucks app. Now you can enjoy all the perks of being a Starbucks member, including personalized recommendations, order ahead, and exclusive rewards. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.